Hey there, friends, kitchen wizards, and all you curious souls out there. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something deliciously simple to share with you. But before we get started, I want to give y'all a very big thank you for watching. Your support means the world to me. All right, let's get cooking. Today, we're going to unravel the secrets of crafting the perfect, easy lasagna. This recipe is an absolute game changer for those busy evenings when you crave a homemade meal without the fuss. Just 7 simple ingredients, and you're on your way to lasagna heaven. First things first, grab some lean ground beef, around 85 to 91% lean. You can make it even healthier by patting it down with some paper towels or draining any excess fat after cooking. Next on the list is marinara sauce. My personal favorite is Rao's. It's hands down the best store-bought marinara sauce out there. I've tried them all, seriously. However, if it's a bit pricey for your taste, feel free to go with any other brand you love. Third ingredient is vegetable broth. While the recipe calls for vegetable broth, chicken broth works just as well. It's all about making it your own. Fourth on the list is lasagna noodles. Do not use the no-boil variety for this recipe. We want those noodles to soak up all the deliciousness, and the regular ones are perfect for the job. Now we have ricotta cheese. Whether you prefer whole or skim, it's all good. Ricotta adds that creamy richness that's essential for a killer lasagna. And now we have mozzarella cheese. You've got options here. Pre-shedded mozzarella saves time, but if you want to go all in, those blocks you grate yourself are fantastic too. Now we have Parmesan cheese. This can be grated finely or shredded into small slivers, depending on your preference. Now we have an optional ingredient. It's fresh basil or parsley. This one's for the aesthetics. If you want to impress your guests or just make it Instagram worthy, go for it. But if you're in a hurry, you can skip this step. Now, let's get cooking. First, preheat your oven and give your baking dish a good greasing. We're setting the stage for lasagna perfection. Now we're going to cook that lean ground beef in a skillet until it's brown to perfection. You're going to stir in that marinara sauce and vegetable broth. You'll see the magic happening right before your eyes. Time to layer it up. Start by spreading a third of the marinara sauce into the bottom of your baking dish. Top it off with 3 lasagna noodles. Spread half of that creamy ricotta goodness over the pasta, then layer on half of the mozzarella and half of the Parmesan. Top it with another third of the sauce. Add 3 more lasagna noodles and evenly spread the remaining half of the ricotta. Pour and spread over the last third of the sauce. Top it all off with the remaining half of the mozzarella and Parmesan. We're building layers of flavor here. Now you're going to cover the dish tightly with foil and let it bake to perfection. Remove that foil and let it continue to bake uncovered. You'll know it's ready when it's beautifully golden and bubbling. But wait, don't dive in just yet. Let it rest for about 5 minutes to let all those flavors meld together. If you're feeling fancy, garnish it with some fresh basil or parsley for that final touch. Now there we have it. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on my culinary adventures. Now it's your turn. The full recipe is in the description along with links to help you purchase great recipe books I use myself and cooking supplies that you may need. Tell me in the comments if you tried this recipe and how it turned out for you. Until next time, stay curious and stay hungry.